After 5.5 years and nearly 3 weeks of trial, both the special prosecutors and defense have rested their cases in the murder trial against former Franklin County Sheriff's Deputy Jason Meade in the death of Casey Goodson Jr.
10 TV's Lacey Crisp has been in the courtroom every day and explains who didn't take the stand and what happened in the final moments of testimony.
The defense rested without having Meade take the stand. He did testify on his own behalf in the first trial in February of 2024. But the state had witnesses read Meade's entire statement for jurors. The state called one rebuttal witness after the defense rested their case. They called Professor Seth Stoughton. Stoughton was a police officer for 5 years and is now a law school professor. He's testified in dozens of cases across the country, including the trial against Minneapolis police officer Derek Chauvin.
Dr. Bauer's report talks about Mr. Goodson not being in a position that is consistent with the description offered by Mr. Meade. The physical evidence suggests instead that he was inside the house at the level of the kitchen floor.
Stoughton has also testified in cases here in Franklin County, the case against former Blendon Township police officer Connor Grubb and Columbus police officer Adam Coy. Stoughton testified in Meade's first trial in February of 2024 for the travel, airfare, and time he charged county taxpayers $23,800. So far in the case before today, Stoughton charged taxpayers $35,200.
Certainly you know a lot about Ohio law and what it allows police officers to do, correct?
No, that's not my role as an expert.
So your testimony to this jury is that you don't know what Ohio law affords police officers here in this state?
I believe my testimony to the jury was relatively clear that my role as an expert is to take an officer's actions and to compare them to generally accepted police practices.
And closing arguments are scheduled for tomorrow morning. Then the jury will have the case. In Columbus, Lacey Crisp, 10 TV News.
Lacey, thanks for that. 10 TV will be streaming those closing arguments for free on the 10 TV app. Just download the app on your TV. You can watch it live.